Hi all, very happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening to every viewer who is watching this video. In my previous video, I spoke about all the important key points regarding how to get 99 percentile in CAT 2020. In case if you have not seen the video, please go back and see the video, and you should definitely watch it so that you will come to know the strategy of what to attempt and what not to attempt, what to focus and what not to focus. In that video, I spoke about solving previous year CAT papers. So what we'll do is, on what basis one should prepare for previous year CAT papers and which all year CAT papers that one should solve in Quant, Verbal, Quant, VARC and LRDI. In this session, I am going to talk about how one should go through the previous year CAT papers and which all year previous year CAT papers are extremely important for you to solve, are the must solve previous year CAT papers, in which order you should solve it and why that order, let us discuss in detail. So we are going to discuss about a 20-week CAT preparation plan with a point of reference as previous year CAT papers. Previous year CAT papers, last 5 years, based upon understanding the previous last 5 years of CAT papers, these what I strongly recommend to all the students. 20-week CAT preparation plan. The mantra is PAR, practice, practice, practice. You should complete the syllabus completion. You should complete all the subtopics, learning of all the concepts by most likely by October 3rd week or November 4th. You should complete it exactly 3 or 4 weeks before the CAT examination. Syllabus completion. After completing the syllabus, next important point is revising it. And most important point which many of the students ignore is writing the mock papers and analyzing it. These are the 3 important key points. Practicing every possible concept, knowing every possible shortcut, understanding which concept to be used one, and revising as much as possible, attempting mocks and analyzing it. Now, this is the order which I strongly recommend to every serious CAT 2020 aspirant if you are planning to go through the previous year CAT papers. In case if you are going through the previous year CAT papers, for verbal ability, must and should, one should go through all the verbal ability questions from 1997 to 2008. Why? Because 1997 to 2008 verbal ability questions is a good collection of para jumbles, para completion and other verbal logic questions. Afterwards, probably there were some questions based on grammar and vocabulary. As you know, in the last 5 years, there was no grammar questions, there were no vocabulary questions. There were reading comprehension questions and there were para jumbles, para completions, odd man out and some verbal logic related problems. CAT 1997 to 2008 previous year CAT papers are extremely important. Don't miss out on any of the verbal ability questions. In case if you want to practice reading comprehension question, go through all the previous year CAT papers from 2000 to 2008. Why? Because 2000 to 2008 previous year CAT papers RC questions contain a good mixture of fact-based question, inferential based questions, and the length of the RC passage is closer to the CAT 2019 passage. Right? All are very, very good handy toolkit for you to understand, right, the most likely the CAT 2020 paper that is going to be there. Verbal ability 1997 to 2008, RC CAT 2000 to 2008. If it is a data interpretation, go through all the previous year CAT papers from 1990 to 1999, almost 1990 to 1999. Every year, the every DI caselet is of a good difficulty level and are most likely close to CAT 2019. You can expect a similar kind of DI caselets in CAT 2020. For logical reasoning, go through all the previous year CAT papers from 1999 to 2008, and 1999 to 2008. There were good number of DI caselets which uses logical reasoning. As you know, in the last few years of CAT papers, DI also uses LR. So in few DI questions, logical reasoning it is used. LR recommended previous year CAT papers are CAT 1999 to 2008. DI it is CAT 1999 to 1999. For quantitative ability, CAT 1990 to 2008 previous year CAT papers, and all these CAT papers are easily available in any of the social media platforms or Google, right? And please remember, sir, CAT 2014 quantitative aptitude was similar to the quantitative ability section of the 1990s. Hence, it is extremely important, right? And the best thing about CAT 1990 to 2008 is more or less good number of questions are logic based and less of formulae based. If you see the last 2 or 3 years of CAT papers, most of the quant questions are logic based and not the formula based, and we are expecting that CAT 2020 will follow more of logic based questions and less of formula based questions. Kindly take a screenshot of this. In case if you are a serious and a sincere CAT aspirant and you wanted to go through the previous year CAT papers for each and every section, right? There were few previous year CAT papers which are of extreme importance. Verbal ability 97 to 2008, RC 2000 to 2008, DI 1990 to 1999, LR 1999 to 2008, and quantitative aptitude 1990 to 2008. Go through these previous year CAT papers whenever time permits, right? Kindly go through the previous year video. I will keep sharing a lot of informatory things related to CAT 2020. If you find these sessions to be useful, kindly click on the like button and share it with all your friends who are preparing for CAT 2020. Now, for quantitative ability and DI, first go through the 1990 papers and come till 2008. For verbal ability RC LR, start from 2008 and go back to 1990. Start in the same order. Trust the 15 years of experience of sending some thousands of people into IIMs. Go through these previous year CAT papers. Then you will understand the behavioral pattern of all the questions that you are getting it. In case if you want to find out the shortcuts how I solve a CAT question paper, you can go through a good number of videos present in our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified about all the CAT exam strategies. In case if you feel that I teach in a best possible way and you wanted to enroll for the CAT course, you can WhatsApp this number to know about the program details. I would be very happy to help you, to guide you, to inspire you, to motivate you to reach your dreams, right? This session is extremely important from understanding what to study in the previous year CAT papers and what not to study in the previous year CAT papers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. With love, Anil Nair.